You good? What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So we on this next job site, and we gotta take out this walkway, and we gotta take out a driveway on the other side over there. I'm gonna show you guys what we have to do over there. So yeah, so all of this is gonna come up just a little bit. When we do raise it, we do have to take into account for these rails. The homeowner, he wants to keep the rails, so like I said, we're gonna do this. Might cover it up to here, cause those are kind of ugly in my opinion. So we're gonna probably cover those up with concrete, so you probably won't see that. And that way the rail, we don't have to move the rail. The rail should stay the same height. The only thing we're gonna do is probably cover up those little caps, and we'll just ride with that. I'm gonna show you guys the driveway we gotta do over there. We already started today, kind of near the garage area. I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna take out and what we're gonna leave. All right, so here's the driveway area. We already started picking it up. We do break concrete loose. We gotta be careful not tearing the bricks up here and in here. You gotta remove it right up in here. We don't tear this up, tear this up. So all that area is coming up. We're gonna leave this. This is staying. This is staying. Yeah, this is coming up too. Not even gonna touch none of this. As you see, it's still in good shape. Moving on down the driveway, so I see the cracks. So we gotta take all this up, get it out of here, and then we're gonna go ahead and replace it. And all of that over there is staying. Nice big little green tree there. And all of this is coming out too. So the whole driveway is coming out all the way up to the garage, and then we got the sidewalk we got to take out as well and replace. So we do have to put the curbing back on here like it is on this side. Same thing on that side. We're not gonna touch this though. This is gonna stay. So we're not gonna touch this part near the road. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started, and I'll see you in a little bit. Okay. good? You good? You got it? Alright, so we got all the concrete removed, so now we're just prepping the ground for when we do run concrete trucks in here. So that'll be in the next video. Guys, continue to follow along with us. Thank you for the support, and we'll see you in the next one.
Look how smart I am. I'm smarter than a 10. About to tell you, guess what? I played Chris' birthday, because Chris' birthday is the 10th, right? I played 14, then catch 3, right? I played straight.
Climb on, Eric. Keep climbing, Eric. Get where you fucking
You through when you get to that end of the thing.
Yes, ma'am.
You need me to bring these boards down here?
Huh? Oh, yeah, you still bring them up today.